one I know named Bruck, man. This one now named Bruck, man. When it come to phone or something, I don't even know where to start. Because not only that, somehow no never get the Bruck, man memo. Is like somehow no create a whole different lane for walking. Uno not just step out of phone lane. So it look like me I forgot tell you a few things because I saw this thing I go. When it come to Bruck, man, them I sweetest thing I me fi tell you no. Nobody no sweeter than them. When it come to the natural ingredients where a woman want to have a good time at the Bruck, man, them a lead in that area. First thing first, if you notice that the Bruck man they always have the big plank them a carry. There's nothing about a money man we big besides him belly. Them say God working a mysterious way on the best believe. Because I look like God did don't know say dog did a go name Bruck man supper if he never bless them highly in that area. And next thing again, you know, we can catch a better vibes with a Bruck man. Because a Bruck man have nothing at all besides some time pan him man. So there and then we can easy well have a Bruck man to no disposal. But Bruck man, with all you know have going for no, me can't beg for no. Because the woman them a make me know them tired of no. The woman them a make me know say majority of no and nothing for offer besides Teely. And some of them a say even though Teely can't heat, them a make no know say alright Teely can't carry go to supermarket. Teely can't pay a light bill. Teely can't pay a water rate. Teely can't keep on them cable. Teely can't pay a school fee. Teely can't pick up a MoneyGram. Teely can't send a Western Union. You no need to understand these things. Somehow you as Bruck man to again you no want have too much talk. You no want lay down too much rules and regulation baby and nothing no go so. Cause when you hear from the shout somehow you no can even buy 2 police button. You no need to get to no act together. Do man them a so you no need to go and go find sitting for do. You no need to go and a supermarket and wholesale go fill out application. And if a foreign you no live, you no go and a Walmart and McDonald's them place they always a higher. And if you no claim say them place then a higher you know, no worry, there's always some different things you can do. You can go along a seaside, go draw a conch and come in, come shine them up and sell them to tourists at street side. And if you can swim, there's still other things you can do. You can go along a bush, go chop tree and take them bun coal kill and come sell coal at street side. Cause people always buy coal and a near $100 pan for coal. And if you no want to do that something still else the way you can do. You can try to round up and put one little money together and buy 5.5 case of Magnum, buy a bag of ice cement, a bag juice, buy 1 carton of cigarette, and buy 1 box of matches and set up one little stall at street side and start juggle. When you can't find sitting for do no too lazy, you no need to get to no wax together. And remember say Teely can buy bathing soap. And next thing again as Bruck man, you have to understand so you can't to run things. You have to know so you can't tie down do man them. Do man them have to go along all about go hustle and try to make it because somehow no not afford and figure them. And next thing again as Bruck man, one have to understand is one no go treat at night time we do man them no can't too close mark. One have to understand say no football you no play. Do man them have to rotate up and down in a dance and see if they can find one man for boom 2 liquor fee 2 or no get to drink because no can even buy the first lifespan water for no get to drink in a dance. And next thing again you have to understand say when a woman a walk and you see the woman then tap a talk to man you can't start type up on yourself because something the woman we look where you have if you give them. You have to understand these things. The woman them a put up with you and at the end of the day it still have to cost them and these things no right. Woman don't come check you already and give up themselves to you for nothing at all. And when you hear from the south it have to cost them because first thing they can hear is babes carry food when you come now. Babes buy $25 credit send for my phone now. And when you think that is enough you still third round a year babes you can buy the pack of Rough Rider. No baby, that no look good them they think they not right. You no get to no act together woman we style you no have to bear these things in mind. Me not nothing more at all too much to tell you upon this besides get to no have to no act together because the woman them tired of you. Alright.